nose, ears, tongue, and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. We call them sense organs because उनसे हमें पता चलता है, we can sense things, we can feel. We can differentiate with the help of our tongue the different tastes.
Mom,
Page number 62.
page number.
Page number 62. So once again, I'm just going to read what we did yesterday. Pay attention. Put your finger on page 62. We had read one little poem also, one little rhyme over there on that page. 2 little eyes to look around, 2 little ears to hear each sound, 1 little nose to smell what's sweet, 1 little mouth that likes to eat. Then, how many eyes do you have? You told me yesterday 2. Nose, you told me 1. Toes, you said 10 toes. Our body has many parts. Let us read about the different parts of our body. Our body parts. Put your finger there, children. Each part of our body has a different name. All the body parts are useful to us. I told you each body part has some function. They are very useful to us. They help us. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Your legs help you to walk and run, hop and skip, all the different things that you do with your legs. With your hands, you do the writing work. You eat your food with the help of your hands. You do all the other work with the help of your hands. So each body part is useful to us. They help us to do different things. Now moving on to page 63, yesterday we did the parts that are mentioned over there in that picture. All the body parts. Then we came to the sense organs, eyes, ears, and then tongue. Then turn the page to 64. Turn the page to 64. We had the sense of smell, then to feel with the help of your hands, your skin. And I told you eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue are called as sense organs. Very important, you have to know this. Our body parts help us to move. Our hands and legs help us to walk, run, hop, crawl, skip and swing. Now look at those pictures given over there, children, on page number 64. Page number 64, you have the pictures over there. See the different actions the children are doing with the help of their legs. With the help of their legs, you can see the first picture. There's a boy. He is inside a sack and he is hopping. There is one relay. If schools are open, you would have played. When you go to your senior classes, you may play this relay. This is called the sack race. We go inside that and you have to hop, hop, hop and reach the finishing line. That's a game. Okay, so he is hopping. कभी कभी आप लोग स्कूल में थे तो आप लोग 1 legged relay भी खेलते थे. एक पैर पे आप लोग हॉप करते थे. Yes, that is hopping. Then even that animal, which animal hops? Which animal hops, Vikrant? Name one animal that hops. उसकी movement को हम hopping बोलते हैं. Yes, Myra. Name an animal that
Rabbit.
hops. Rabbit. Okay, very good. A little rabbit.
And frog.
You see it hopping also. Frog also. Okay. See the next picture. You have skipping. Some of you must be doing skipping at home, especially the girls. Even the boys do skipping. It's a nice exercise also and it's a nice game also, nice sport for you. It keeps you fit. Then the next one is running. You use your legs to run. All of you like to run. You like to walk fast also. We make use of our legs. Then walking. Walking is a good exercise also. Some of our parents must be going for morning walks in the morning. Maybe some of you also do little
Ma'am?
walking. Yes, Myra?
Rabbit is very fast running.
Okay. It hops also. Okay. Now the next is walking. Some of you, I told you, you must have seen your parents going for morning walks. Some go for evening walks. If they don't get time in the morning, they go for evening walks also. So walking is also good exercise. Now we are making use of our legs. Keeping our body healthy. Now the next thing is keeping our body healthy. So we need to keep our body healthy, children. Very important. और हमें अपनी बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ डेज आजकल क्या हो रहा है, आप लोग सब घर पर हैं. इसी से स्ट्रेट आप लोग की फिजिकल एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा नहीं हो पा रही होगी. मे बी सम ऑफ यू आर नॉट रनिंग अराउंड एंड प्लेइंग, बट यू मस्ट ट्राई टू डू सम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेज ऑल्सो. थोड़ा बहुत दौड़ना खेलना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है. साइकिलिंग करना ज़रूरी है. These are the exercises that will keep your body fit. How many of you do cycling? Raise your hand. How many of you do cycling? Let me see. Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. And how many of you play at home, running games around? Okay, that's nice. Arav also does. Good. Yes, Parth also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैं घर पे रनिंग करती हूँ और ऐसे ही चलती रहती हूँ.
ओके भाई.
मतलब नाटक करती हूँ चलने का घर पे.
Okay, Parth wanted to say something. Parth, you wanted to say something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आप चली क्यों गई?
I am here only. Aradhya?
Yes.
Yes, I am here, Aradhya. The network was lost in between, but I am here. Alright? So, children, it's very important to keep your body healthy by doing these physical exercises. And then it's important to keep our body clean also. Very important. We need to keep our body clean. And how can we keep our body clean? By having a bath, washing our hair regularly, brushing your teeth regularly, very nicely, clipping your nails. नेल्स अपने रेगुलरली ट्रिम करने चाहिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है ना. अभी आप लोग ऑल ऑफ यू लुक एट योर नेल्स. ऑल ऑफ यू लुक एट योर नेल्स लाइक दिस. अपने नेल्स देखिए. जिसके जिसके नेल्स लॉन्ग हैं आज मम्मी से सब बोलेंगे ट्रिम करने के लिए. All those who have long nails, they'll tell mommy to trim their nails. Very important, children. क्योंकि इसी हाथ से आप सारे काम करते हैं. अगर नेल्स आपके लॉन्ग एंड डर्टी होंगे, वो सारे जर्म्स आपके बॉडी में जाएंगे ना. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप योर नेल्स क्लीन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ब्रश योर टीथ मॉर्निंग एंड एट नाइट आफ्टर डिनर. बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड यू मस्ट ब्रश योर टीथ. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Very important to have a bath every day. We should look after our body and keep it healthy. We should eat fresh food to keep our body strong. Now, very important, eating the correct food is also important. सिर्फ हमें जंक फूड नहीं खाना है, हेल्दी फूड खाना है. मम्मी घर में हेल्दी फूड कुक करती हैं, वो खाना है. Junk food like pizzas, burgers, all these things from the market, you should try and avoid. Once in a way it is okay, but not regularly. हर समय Yes.
मैम मेरी मम्मा जब फ्राइडे आता है तो मेरी मम्मा रोज नेल कट करती हैं.
Okay, good. Very important to keep your nails clean. and very important,
Excuse me, ma'am.
healthy food.
मेरी मम्मा फूड में खाना बनाती है.
Okay.
मैम,
Yes.
मैम, मेरी मम्मा बर्गर घर पे ही बनाती थी कभी
Okay,
कभी.
that's nice. That's good.
मैम, मेरी मम्मी नाश्ता बनाती है. मेरी मम्मी भी कभी कभी घर पर बर्गर बनाती है. मैम,
Okay.
मेरी मम्मा केक बनाती है.
Oh, that's very
मैम,
nice. Yes,
मेरी मम्मा घर पे केक बनाती है.
that's very nice.
मैम,
Yes.
मेरी मम्मा घर पे फ्रेंच फ्राइज बनाती है.
Oh, that's very good. So all your mummies are good chefs, huh? All the mummies are doing all the lovely cooking for you. You should also help mummy. All of you mustn't trouble them. You all must be good children. Okay? Very important. We should keep our body clean, brushing our
मैम,
teeth
वो
and
फ्रेंच
bathing.
फ्राइज मेरी मम्मा घर पे आती है.
Okay. Alright, let's read page 64, children. Let's see what's given there. We should keep our body clean. Brushing our teeth and bathing keeps us clean. We must clip our nails regularly. We should exercise every day. Regular exercise, clipping your nails. Now see on page number 65, the pictures are given. Where you can see a picture of a child brushing, then a child is bathing. That word is pronounced as bathing. Then you can see one child, her mother's clipping the nails, very important. Regularly nails have to be clipped. Walking and running are good exercises. A good sleep gives us rest. Going to bed early and waking up early keeps the body healthy. Now very important children, we have to go to bed early. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So it's very important for all of you to go to bed on time. You mustn't keep sitting till late in the night and not sleeping. You must go to bed on time so that in the morning you're fresh for your class. You get up on time. क्लास में फिर नींद नहीं आएगी. अगर टाइम से रात में सोएंगे, सुबह जल्दी उठेंगे and dress up होकर fresh होकर क्लास के लिए बैठेंगे. So you will not feel sleepy in the class. You'll all be fresh. Okay, that's very important. Little children mustn't stay awake till late in the night. Then you can see the pictures of the children over there exercising. See the first picture, you can see one little boy doing some exercise. Myra, switch off your mic. Bhavika, switch off your mic. Then you can see one boy, he's running. Running is also one of the exercises. Then after that the child goes to sleep, and the child goes to sleep on time. Now down below there's a picture of a little doctor. Can you see? Health is wealth. Doctor says health is wealth. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. If you are not healthy, all the time you're feeling sick, you're feeling tired, that means your body is not getting enough of rest. Nowadays what is happening, sometimes the children, they like to be on the mobile, the gadgets all the time. They are not taking rest. That is very bad. You need to rest. दिन में भी आपको रेस्ट करना चाहिए. पूरा टाइम मोबाइल पे लैपटॉप पर नहीं बैठना चाहिए. मम्मी की बात सुननी चाहिए. Otherwise your eyesight will also get spoiled, children. Okay, so you must rest during the day. Rest is very important. Your body needs to rest. Now down below you have, let's revise what you have studied. Our body has many parts. All the body parts are useful to us. Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue are our sense organs. We should eat fresh food to keep our body strong. We have to keep our body strong, so we need to eat fresh and healthy food. We should keep our body clean and exercise daily. Make sure you're doing your regular exercises. Going to bed early and waking up early keeps the body healthy. टाइम से सोना है, टाइम से मॉर्निंग में उठना है, मम्मी को ट्रबल नहीं करना है, अपने आप टाइम से रात को सोया करिए और मॉर्निंग में क्लास के लिए फ्रेश होकर उठा करिए. ओके? एंड डोंट फील स्लीपी इन द क्लास. Make sure you are taking proper rest. If you are not going to take proper rest, children, then you will be sleepy the whole day. अगर आपकी बॉडी को रेस्ट नहीं मिलेगा तो आपको पूरा टाइम थकान लगेगी, नींद आएगी. आप लोग को क्लास में मम्मी बैठा कर जाएंगी और फिर उसके बाद आप लोग क्या करते हैं, रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं एंड यू वांट टू लाई डाउन. So you have to sit straight, you have to be very smart during the class. Don't feel sleepy in the class. Some of you are feeling sleepy. You are opening a big mouth, I can see. You have to put your hand on your mouth when you're yawning. And don't keep playing with the cameras also. Sit straight. Okay? So now for today's homework, you will read the full lesson very well. Okay? You'll read the full lesson very well, nicely. And revise everything that we have done previously, and in this lesson whatever new words are there, children, make sure you learn up all the spellings. Okay? जितने new words हैं इस lesson में उसकी spellings आपको learn करनी है. And today after I send you the maths corrections, I'll send you the sum set. You can do the corrections also. Okay? Now with that we come to the end of your science class. Thank you and have a nice day.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.